Let's make some Jamaican Red Peas Soup. Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica YouTube channel. And we will be making some delicious red pea soup with some smoked turkey necks. When it comes to the kidney beans or red peas to make the red pea soup, it's best to let it soak overnight. But since this is a quick recipe, how to get some quick soup, we're not soaking our beans. We're just going to wash them and put them straight in the pressure cooker and cook them. So we're going to rinse it a couple times, throw off the water, and then we're going to place it on the stove. Now we're going to add in some crushed garlic, because we need to pressure our beans with flavor. You know what I mean? Alright, so we throw that in now. We sprinkle some salt, lock it good, and let it